Hi, this is James Robertson of Syncom Systems. This morning we're going to take a look at how debugging works in Smalltalk and differentiate it from kind of the dead wood debugging that exists in most environments. So let's start by going to the browser, and we'll go back to the package we were working on the other day, this counter demo thing, and you'll notice that I added in the API section this, well, you can't see it because I made the window too small. You'll notice I added this add method the other day, so let's add our corresponding subtract method. And we'll make a small mistake here, kind of mistake that I would commonly make. And the mistake is that the variable is called count, not counter. But being a typical developer, I will blow past the error message that's being flagged at me. And I'll just go ahead and try executing this now by going back to the inspector. And now in the inspector, I will go ahead and try to send my message. I'll say self subtract 1. And I'll do a do it. And I immediately get this exception. It says message not understood counter. Now the cool thing about the Smalltalk debugger is this. When I hit this debug method here, I get the stack, and up here at the top, does not understand is just a message any object understands, and it's telling me, well, I didn't understand this message, counter with no arguments. So I'll go down here, and in the order of execution, it got to this first before it got as far as counter colon. It would have not understood this after it dealt with this. So understanding this, let's just go ahead and fix that. And you'll notice what happens when I hit accept here. Notice the stack rearranged itself, and that's because Smalltalk is a live environment. I can go ahead and fix the code in the editor and then hit run, and it just proceeds as if nothing happened. So in most environments when you're in the debugger, what you've got is you've got a dead patient and you're a forensic pathologist. The best you can do is figure out what killed the poor guy and then hope that the next version of him doesn't die of the same thing. In Smalltalk, you're a surgeon. You've got the guy laid out on a table, he's under anesthesia, you can patch him up and send him on his way.